No.
Bark. 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 You're so loud. No, stop swearing at me. No. 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 What did you say? He'll be back. Stop throwing a fit. Stop throwing a fit.
We've seen Adam's flavour combos so far this week.
You're bad. No. You're bad. Yeah. You're crazy. Yes.
Walt sitting with his baby. Wow. Okay.
You get away from there right now. I said no. You don't do that.
I'm telling you, no Animal Planet tonight. I am watching.
No. No, you can't come in. Is that really your excuse? Huh?
What did you do? No, what did you do? What did you do?